Myself is Dr. Arun Manna, business consultant and nutritional expert. Today I'll discuss osteoarthritis and its treatment with glucosamine. What is osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis is the most common form of arthritis affecting millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the protective cartilage that cushions the ends of our bones wears down over time. Although osteoarthritis can damage any joint, disorder most commonly affects joints in our hands, knees, hips, and spine. It also affects the fingers, thumb, neck, and large toe. Osteoarthritis symptoms can usually be managed, although the damage to the joints cannot be reversed. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and some treatment might slow progression of the disease and help improve pain and joint function. What causes osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis, commonly called wear and tear arthritis, the surface layer of cartilage breaks down and wear away. With advanced disease, breakdown of cartilage can become so severe that the bones of the joint rub together, resulting in pain sensation. A normal joint is surrounded by the synovium, which produces small amount of thick fluid known as synovial fluid. Synovial fluid helps to nourish the cartilage and keep it slippery. It acts just like a mobile. Synovial fluid provides the viscosity needed to absorb shock from slow movements as well as elasticity required to absorb shock from rapid movements. With age, amount of synovial fluid decreases, thus reduces the mobility of joints. Cartilage is a firm, rubbery material that covers the ends of bones in normal joints. Its main function is to reduce the friction in the joints and serve as shock absorber. The shock absorbing quality of normal cartilage comes from its ability to change shape when compressed, that is, flattened or pressed together during movement. In osteoarthritis, the cartilage in a joint becomes stiff and loses its elasticity, making it more susceptible to damage. Over time, the cartilage may wear away in some areas, greatly decreasing its ability to act as a shock absorber. As the cartilage deteriorates, tendons and ligaments stretch, causing pain. If the condition worsens, the bone could rub against each other, resulting in pain. This is the picture of osteoarthritis of the knee. On the left hand side, there is a healthy knee joint. On the right side, osteoarthritic knee joint. In healthy joint, there is a presence of articular cartilage, presence of synovial fluid. On the other hand, on the right hand side of the picture, in osteoarthritic knees, the cartilage is already damaged. There is a formation of some bone spurs also, and synovial fluid diminishes or almost vanished. See another picture. Here, the knee joint causes huge pain, breakdown of the cartilage, bone on bone spurs are developed, eroding meniscus. These are the condition when a person is suffering from knee osteoarthritis. What are the symptoms of osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis symptoms often develop slowly and worsen over time. Signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis include: it could start with mild stiffness in the morning or creaking or cracking joints. As we age, we feel more and more of these effects in our joints. Pain. Affected joints might hurt during or after movement. Stiffness. Joint stiffness might be most noticeable upon awakening or after being inactive for some time. Tenderness. Joint might feel tender when one applies light pressure to or near it. Loss of flexibility. One might not be able to move his joint through its full range of motion. Grating sensation. One might feel a grating sensation when uses the joint, and one might hear popping or crackling sound. Bone spurs. The extra bits of bone which feel like hard lumps can form around the affected joint. Swelling. This might be caused by soft tissue inflammation around the joint. How to diagnose the osteoarthritis? During the physical exam, doctor will check affected joint for tenderness, swelling, redness, and flexibility. To get pictures of the affected joint, doctor might recommend X-rays. Cartilage does not show up on X-ray images, but cartilage loss is revealed by narrowing of the space between the bones in your joint, and X-ray can also show bone spurs around the joint. Magnetic resonance imaging. An MRI uses radio waves and strong magnetic field to produce detailed images of bone and soft tissues, including cartilage. An MRI is not commonly needed to diagnose osteoarthritis, but can help provide more information in complex cases. What are the treatments of osteoarthritis? Treatment has been targeted at controlling the pain that tends to come with the progressive loss of articular cartilage, cushioning the joints, disintegration of the underlying bone, and the formation of bone spurs or osteophytes. No drug has been proven to block osteoarthritis specific joint destroying processes. These are some treatment for osteoarthritis: weight loss, exercise, mild trained exercise is required to control the osteoarthritis, use of pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs, injection of corticosteroids or hyaluronic acid into the knee, use of nutraceuticals, alternative therapies like acupuncture, using devices such as braces, physical and occupational therapy, and finally surgery or replacement of the knee and other joints. Now we'll discuss role of glucosamine in the treatment of osteoarthritis. Glucosamine is a nutritional building block that supports healthy joints. Glucosamine is a natural amino sugar produced by our body. Glucosamine is found naturally in our body. Highest natural concentration of glucosamine is in joints and cartilage. Glucosamine plays an important role in making glycosaminoglycans and glycoproteins, which are essential building blocks of many parts of our joints, including ligaments, tendons, cartilage, and synovial fluid. What is the treatment with glucosamine. How does glucosamine helps? Glucosamine helps normal joint functioning and mobility. Glucosamine is a natural building block that supports healthy joints and stimulates the production of cartilage. Glucosamine helps in the production of synovial fluid. Glucosamine helps reduce swelling in the joints. Glucosamine helps reduce joint pain and inflammation. So enjoy freedom of movement in osteoarthritis with the power of glucosamine. Glucosamine is recommended for osteoarthritis, people over 40, especially women who want to maintain healthy joint function and mobility, sports person and athletes who want to take care of their joints. Glucosamine hydrochloride and glucosamine sulfate, which one is better? Let's see. Glucosamine hydrochloride over glucosamine sulfate. Glucosamine hydrochloride is highly stable and manufactured to a purity of over 99% compared to glucosamine sulfate at 74%, because it also requires stabilization by using 12% or more sodium or potassium chloride. Glucosamine hydrochloride delivers 91.3% active glucosamine, while glucosamine sulfate supply a meager 47.8% glucosamine, the base. So one needs 2608 mg of glucosamine sulfate to be equal to 1500 mg of glucosamine hydrochloride. So my advice is to choose nutritional supplements glucosamine hydrochloride for the better management of osteoarthritis. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please press the like button, share the video as many as people as possible, and subscribe my channel.